Message mo kasi Piaso. Thank you, Boss Cam. Mabait to sa ano nila. Salamat, Boss Cam. Sino yung nakapasok?
3 points. 3 points, Martinez.
Shooter talaga yun, 1-1 lang.
3 points. Ayan na si number 8, Arquiza. Finds number 31, almost losing the ball. Recovered. Number 31 finds number 8, Arquiza. Pulls the trigger. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 10, Zarate. For Idol, number 11, Martinez. In the paint. Nice stealan si Idol. Ayan na si number 9, Tizon. That's number 31, 4-meter jumper. In and out. Rebound to number 10. Martinez. Crossing the midcourt. Finds number 31. Balik kay number 31. Using that board. Basket is good. Number 31. And si Tizon setting up the play. Finds number 31.
Pasok ka lang. Buti nakahabol ka pa. Buti nakahabol ka pa.
And si number 10. Oh, pawas. Number 31. Basket is good.
Malay mo, for ano pa lang. Nakahabol pa.
Pwede kayo mag-time out.
Selections, meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Kaligsta, tatlo pa. And on sa foul, substitution. Foul number 11, Martinez. Evangelista number 62 in for Mr. Brown. Number 20, open 3. Basket is good. Number 20. There's number 11, Nice. At the baseline, pass number 12, open 3, Comploma, wala. Recovered, basket is good by number 31. There's number 9. Number 9 to number 31, pass to number 20, jumper at the sideline, puts it in, number 20. Martinez still. And recovered number 62 and one basketball. Napakalakas naman yan. Number 62. And sino na foul rep? Number 31 is foul. Second personal foul, number 31.
Pumasok ba ito?
Hindi.
Sabla yung bonus shot ni Idol Evangelista.
Siya yung naging best player na kalano.
Ay si number 9. Ay si number 8. 4-meter jumper. Basket is good. Number 8.
2 points.
Mr. Arquiza. And si Martinez. Martinez. That's the number 10. Puts it in.
Lumakas yung loob nila. Nandun pa yung kanina. Nakadikit yung laban. No? Sayang.
And si Tizon setting up the play. 5 minutes 48. Si number 8 in the paint. Finds number 31. 4-meter jumper. Malakas. Kuha niya ni Martinez. Martinez to number 12. Comploma. Short ang tira. Recovered. Number 62. Evangelista. Laking mama. Basket is good.
Malay mo,
78-57. 5 minutes remaining. Izon pulls a 3. Short. Out of bounds. Same ball. Mabalik ang possession sa selection. And ang selections number 11, Martinez. As number 12, one-hand shot. Malakas ang tira. And number 8, Arquiza. And there's a foul. Foul number 12.
Ano daw, sabi sila? Time out.
Time out. Number 12, second personal foul. Time out selections. Selections, meron pa kayong isang time out. Calixta, meron pa kayong tatlo. In the fourth quarter, time remaining 4 minutes and 41. 78-57 ang ating score. Ang susunod na maglalaro, St. Rocco versus Mike Rosa. Maganda-handa na.
Ano daw?
And Calixta, number 20. Number 20 pulls a 3 from the downtown. Short ang tira. Number 20. Here is number 11, Martinez. Martinez finds number 62. Natapigan. Buwan ang number 20 yan, Calixta. Number 20. Nice, the number 9, Quezon. Pasa ka number 8. Malakas ang tira. Rebound ni Evangelista yan. And a steal by the Calixta boys. There's Calixta, number 9. Pass number 31. Basket is good. As Evangelista penetrates. Malakas yung forward. Malakas sa kanya pa rin. Basket is good. Evangelista. As the number 8, Arquiza. As the number, Sablay. And the number 9, Quezon. And there's a foul by Mr. Brown, 79. Mr. Brown, third personal foul. 13 foul. Quezon makes the first one. Second basket is good. Ang score natin, 82-59. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds in favor of the Calixta. Penetrates. Scopes. Basket number 22. Ayan na mga Calixta ng boys number 20. Arnaiz, the number. Balitay. Arquiza, number 8. Pulls. Short ang tira. Rebound ni Mr. Broad. Nice run. Number 31. Offensive foul by number 31. Number 31, third personal foul. Number 22 in the paint fakes, puts it in. A human. Nice, once and 3. Malakas, rebound by Evangelista. Evangelista, nice sila. Naku ni number 8. Asa number 8, wala. Rebound number 8, number 31. Back number 8, basket is good.
Number 6 pala yun. Pumasok, sino nakagay?
22.
Number 22, easy basket. Ang score natin ay 84-65. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds. That's number 20. Number 20, number 31. In the paint, close. Wala.
Kung kanina pa dumating, no?
Dikit yan kung kanina pa siya dumating.
Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 40. That's number 62, number 11. Number 11, Martinez. Drop pass to number 62, Nalapigan. And there's a foul committed by number 2, number 21. Number 23, sorry. Sorry, who's foul rep? Number 8? Okay, number 8. Number 8, first personal foul. Third, 14 foul na sila. Warning for penalty na. Second one is good. Sakay. 1 minute 26. Eason. Number 8. Number 8 coming up. 8 seconds to shoot. Floater shot in and out. Go ahead, Evangelista. Pass to number 2. Easy basket by number 2. Bonzo. Ang score natin 84-68. 1 minute remaining. As number 9, looking for an open man. Finds number 31, Navarro. Drop pass to number 8. Short ang tira. Kuha ni Evangelista yan. Napakasipag. Evangelista. Pasok yan kay Evangelista. Baba sa 14 yung kalamangan ng Kaligsa. Ayan si number 31. Pass to number 8. Wala. Kuha ulit ng selection dyan. Evangelista. Drop pass to number 2. Basket is good. Number 2. Basa 12 yung kalamangan. Time remaining 22 seconds left.
Laking chance nila sa ano. Mamatay siya kanina. Umuwi pa sila para.
And number 8 holds a trigger for the downtown short. And a steal by the selections. Nawala pa ang bola out of bounds. Same ball possession. Time remaining 4 seconds left. It's number 9, fades in the paint, penetrates, one-hand shot, puts it in. And that ends